Oh, hey everyone, I'm Luigi. I work here at Snow City. And you know what? This weekend is the bike show. So why don't you come down, see Norm, Hans, myself, or the new guy, Sean, and let's do a deal. So come down to the bike show, make sure you come see us. I know Dog and Beth are gonna be there, but with only a $500 deposit, you will get a personal signature from Norm, Hans, myself, or Sean in the bottom right corner of every contract, and that's a guarantee. For the show, ready to rock.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. You had me till then. You idiot.